We're located in the centre of Cardiff, where all the action is. We have local partners and collaborators. We work nationally. With that, it allows us to collaborate with many different courses. So anything from film, media, photography. We've got incredible professional standard equipment here. We have software, technical studios, photo studios, libraries, podcasting, booths. So we tend to see graduates go into careers in marketing, in social media, buying and merchandising, styling, PR. The curriculum is designed in partnership with professionals and industry to make sure that our students can hit the ground running when they graduate, highly employable, and provide a nurturing environment where they can really grow as fashion professionals.
Initially, I found directing quite daunting, but I'd never had that much experience working on a crew of like 15 plus people. Working with actors, being able to kind of communicate exactly what you want is actually quite difficult, and it was a really useful skill that I managed to learn on and work on. In third year, we all get the opportunity to write our own script. About 8 to 10 get selected. And then we go into production, getting actors, building the sets with a set design course, the props, and sourcing all of the locations that we need. We then go and film. For our graduation film, we're creating a horror comedy, and that's set in 1999, and it's called The Y2K Bug. It's all about an alien crash landing and 4 friends having to survive the night. So we're currently in post-production. We've finished filming and we're currently in editing. In June, once all of the films are submitted, all of the third year films get put in Cineworld, and then everyone's invited to come and watch, all the family, friends, and then people from other courses and in the industry as well, which should be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Just had a great time. It's really fun and I've really enjoyed it, and I feel like being based in Cardiff, where there's so much filmmaking around, I'm kind of going into the industry now, not only equipped with the skills that I gained at university, but also the real world experience I've been able to gain whilst I've been at university.
I've really enjoyed exploring. You do so many different things in the course and you're able to explore lots of different things.
I'm on the TV and film set design course in my third year, and at the moment we're on our major project, adapting a book that hasn't already been visualised in film or TV ourselves into basically a film or a feature film. I'm adapting a book called Perdido's Street Station, a steampunk kind of book with lots of different kind of creatures and quite an alien world kind of set in a metropolis. You have a bit of freedom as to what we do with the material of the book, playing around with things that it's harder kind of to play around with in the actual industry, and you get to do it now. Third year is using a lot of the skills that we've learnt throughout the year. It's also a time to explore things that we might not have had as much time to explore.
If you're thinking about joining the course, I'd say do. The freedom you get with exploring different things like concept visuals or storyboarding, and they really do encourage you to get out there and try different things and work with different people. It is really good.
The legal advice clinic prepared me for the world of work. Being able to experience that professional setting really helped to settle your nerves, get an experience of what it's like to actually be in work.
Legal Advice Clinic at the university is a clinic that provides free legal advice to members of the public. The work in the clinic is led by our law students, but supervised by members of the team that are practicing solicitors.
Still to this day, I use the experiences at the Legal Advice Clinic. It certainly made me more employable. For my first role coming from university, it was the only thing I talked about. It provided so many useful experiences that I believe that probably was the reason why I got the job in the first place.
It definitely gives you a lot more practical skills than just studying would. Actually meeting those clients and seeing real life problems with all the emotions that come with dealing with a person is so much more helpful practicing for those real life scenarios that you're going to encounter in work.
Students who go for job interviews stand out from the crowd because they've got these skills that they've already developed, and they're able to go into an interview. They can use examples of clients that they've interviewed, they can use examples of the skills that they've developed. That makes a big difference to the employers.
The Blue Light event is a simulation that happens in year 3. We declare a major incident and the students then have to make decisions, planning, and really puts into place the leadership skills that they've built upon over the last 3 years.
Kind of nervous, but also confident in my own ability to do well.
Really apprehensive actually, now I'm here. Don't really know what to expect. I know I'm put into the ED role as a nurse, so not too sure what patients I'm having coming through, but it's going to be a good day and I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot from it.
Been positioned in ITU. We haven't been given much information about it as of yet. I expect it's going to be quite intense.
So I'll be on call, so that means anything that kind of goes wrong around like a simulation, I'll be called to that and have to deal with whatever we're presented with.
The purpose of the event is to give them a positive end experience. This is the last time they're going to be in our simulation suite here at University of South Wales, and it gives them an opportunity to put into place everything they've learned over the last 3 years, consolidate all that learning, gives them an opportunity to look after the patients in a safe way.
We had to facilitate a patient who was unconscious. We had to decide what was wrong with him and give him the correct treatment. I was anaesthetics. I had to facilitate the airway, which is quite stressful. When I am qualified and go into practice, it's kind of like a bit of a taste of what it'll be actually like.
We've been looking after a patient who's come in with pneumonia. It's putting what you've learned over the last 3 years into practice. It gives you a feel of what's to come in the real world.
It was very pressured. It was quite realistic actually. I think it's a very pressured environment. It really puts into perspective as to what our role is going to be.
The Cypher Room is a totally new learning and teaching environment to the University of South Wales. It's been designed for our students to work through complex simulation-based challenges that replicate some of the real-world issues that our students would have to face when they go into profession.
We've been using the new interactive crime tables in USW, and we've been running a case alongside our lecturers who've been feeding us information bit by bit, or we use investigation skills to figure out what's happened. It's really interesting. It's something that we've never used before, especially like working alongside my friends around a big table in a big group. It's a good laugh.
It's just been very exciting. It's something new, and for someone who uses practical learning better than theory, it's been much better. Everyone's got to cooperate. There's a 100-point touch system, so you don't have to rely on one person to be touching everything. You can all work together. We've had witness statements, we've had ambulance logs, CCTV from a crime scene.
This space here is the first of its kind in Wales, and in fact in the UK. There are huge benefits for our students. It allows them to be immersed in an investigation. Just an absolutely incredible addition to the simulation and immersive capabilities of the University of South Wales.
What makes USW psychology students so employable? Deeper compassion, data awareness, active listening skills, people skills, applied research skills. I've never seen anything like this whole world of blended skills that are going to be so well translated to, quite a fast-moving job market.
Currently, I work as a therapeutic support worker for holistic hoarding. I lead on research projects and things like that. We support people who have strong attachment to their items, people that find themselves in cluttered environments.
The day-to-day work involves preventing eviction. The students, our staff, get to do a whole range of different locations. We're in people's homes a lot of the time. We're trying to figure out what safety looks like for that person, what it looks like for the landlord and for the other services who might be concerned about home conditions.
When you see actual real positive change and the impact that you have on people, it doesn't just change their home environment, that it changes their life. There's a current perception that when you study a psychology degree that you automatically go, right, psychologist. You have a deeper understanding of human behaviour, how people work, and it doesn't end at psychology. They're so applicable in any area of workplace.
So this week we've got our ECAS coaches, so they're part of our Elite Coach Accreditation Scheme. And they're here at USW today as part of their immersive League 2 simulation experience. We have captured everything that a League 2 manager might have to navigate in their first week, and we squashed it into 48 hours for them.
It's a really good learning opportunity for our students. They'll be seeing and listening to things that could be real life examples for them in the future. They get an opportunity in a very safe way to live those experiences and be part of those experiences and learn from the outcomes as well.
The Premier League coming to us at USW has been brilliant. Some of those reasons have been the facilities that we've got to offer, the diverse facilities as well in terms of classrooms, meeting rooms, breakout rooms, etc. And also the integration of our students.
It's been challenging. This is almost taking it to the next level where it's sort of professional standards, League 2 standards. But I definitely think that I pulled so many things out of it in terms of interpersonal communication, software skills, taking away all the analysis skills that I've had to put in place and utilise. It's definitely been something I can take into my industry work.
The managers being very locked into what they want to do and what they want to get out of this 48 hours. I think us as students, we really get to see that bite-sized information of how the industry could look like, and for our personal and academic growth, I think it's great.
Students are the most important aspect of every course across any university.
When I came for the open days, they were so enthusiastic, they were so encouraging that it really made me want to study the science here.
My favourite thing about the wildlife and ecology and conservation course is the fact that it has a lot of microbiology aspects to it and also a lot of field work.
Definitely got to be the placement opportunities. We've had quite a lot of experience in the local hospitals and in the university hospital health boards.
All of the practicals we get to do, we're always doing something. It's not all theory. It means that we can have hands-on experience and actually understand what we're learning.
The labs and facilities really solidify the course material that we're learning because they are not only state-of-the-art, but they're also really easy to use.
The crime scene house, the chemistry biology labs for the forensic practicals. We saw the labs and immediately fell in love with the place. We have amazing support from our lecturers.
The advice that you're given is very personable, so it does feel really targeted and helpful.
And they're there for us in a pastoral and academic way, and that really makes the course worth it.
I think that is really beneficial for us because it means that we're not just struggling on our own.
Come and visit us, come see us, come talk to our students and not just the lecturers, get the vibe of the place. I think that's the best thing to do.
It's quite nice to actually get hands-on experience in the fieldwork. Like, you don't really get this from a textbook sitting in class.
So today we are at Cymru Marsh and the students are doing a preliminary ecological appraisal. So they are looking at habitats that are present on site, and also we are looking at doing some water bowl training with the Wildlife Trust.
So we're looking through the vegetation here to see if we can see clear 45-degree angles in the vegetation, additionally little pellets and other signs that they could possibly leave. This basically shows us how the population is doing here.
I really do like to stay outside and doing field work because I mostly do like to see new species.
They really kind of appreciate then actually being able to see the things in person. They get to kind of practice their identification skills for all the different species that we have here.
Additionally, just a hands-on experience. We have so much time in the field with lectures as well. We have a lot of hands-on time with them individually, which gives you a lot of skills and ability to learn off them, which I think is very important.
I improved my skills in mapping and collecting data from the birds by listening to the bird sounds and detect which species are they.
It's very, very unique and nothing like I've seen in any other degrees.
It will help me to build up my career, and also it will be help to gain new experiences.
This sort of prepares you for giving a wider berth of context of what you might want to do in the future.
So we're here today in Cyfarthfa Park enjoying our event Biology in the Park. And its purpose is to bring together partner colleges and school pupils to enjoy the amazing green spaces that we have around us and to understand a little bit more about ecology, conservation and the environment. So by attending our event, we would hope that pupils and students can find out a little bit more about what lecturers are like at university, to play some challenges and get to know us in a relaxed environment, and hopefully to break down some of the barriers so that they see that studying at university is something that is part of their future.
What's really exciting about the industry is that it's changing. So by its very nature, fashion is always evolving. The BA Fashion Marketing course is all about where strategy meets creativity. The course is designed to introduce students to a variety of career pathways. So if you're interested in product, buying, merchandising, trend forecasting, creative strategy, content creation, this is the course for you. We're located in the centre of Cardiff, where all the action is. We have local partners and collaborators. We work nationally. With that, it allows us to collaborate with many different courses. So anything from film, media, photography. We've got incredible professional standard equipment here. We have software, technical studios, photo studios, libraries, podcasting, booths.
So we tend to see graduates go into careers in marketing, in social media, buying and merchandising, styling, PR.
The curriculum is designed in partnership with professionals and industry to make sure that our students can hit the ground running when they graduate, highly employable, and
provide a nurturing environment where they can really grow as fashion professionals.
Initially, I found directing quite daunting, but I'd never had that much experience working on a crew of like 15 plus people. Working with actors, being able to kind of communicate exactly what you want is actually quite difficult, and it was a really useful skill that I managed to learn on and work on. In third year, we all get the opportunity to write our own script. About 8 to 10 get selected. And then we go into production, getting actors, building the sets with a set design course, the props, and sourcing all of the locations that we need. We then go and film. For our graduation film, we're creating a horror comedy, and that's set in 1999, and it's called The Y2K Bug. It's all about an alien crash landing and 4 friends having to survive the night. So we're currently in post-production. We've finished filming and we're currently in editing. In June, once all of the films are submitted, all of the third-year films get put in Cineworld, and then everyone's invited to come and watch, all the family, friends, and then people from other courses and in the industry as well, which should be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Just had a great time. It's really fun and I've really enjoyed it, and I feel like being based in Cardiff, where there's so much filmmaking around, I'm kind of going into the industry now, not only equipped with the skills that I gained at university, but also the real world experience I've been able to gain whilst I've been at university.
I've really enjoyed exploring. You do so many different things in the course and you're able to explore lots of different things.
I'm on the TV and film set design course in my 3rd year, and at the moment we're on our major project, adapting a book that hasn't already been visualised in film or TV ourselves into basically a film or a feature film. I'm adapting a book called Graddio Street Station, a steampunk kind of book with lots of different kind of creatures and quite an alien world kind of set in a metropolis. We have a bit of freedom as to what we do with the material of the book. Playing around with things that it's harder kind of to play around with in the actual industry, and you get to do it now. 3rd year is using a lot of the skills that we've learned throughout the year. It's also a time to explore things that we might not have had as much time to explore.
If you're thinking about joining the course, I'd say do. The freedom you get with exploring different things like concept visuals or storyboarding, and they really do encourage you to get out there and try different things and work with different people. It's really good.
The legal advice clinic prepared me for the world of work. Being able to experience that professional setting really helped to settle your nerves, get an experience of what it's like to actually be in work.
Legal Advice Clinic at the university is a clinic that provides free legal advice to members of the public. The work in the clinic is led by our law students, but supervised by members of the team that are practicing solicitors.
Still to this day, I use the experiences at the Legal Advice Clinic. It certainly made me more employable. For my first role coming from university, it was the only thing I talked about. It provided so many useful experiences that I believe that probably was the reason why I got the job in the first place.
It definitely gives you a lot more practical skills than just studying would. Actually meeting those clients and seeing real life problems with all the emotions that come with dealing with a person is so much more helpful practicing for those real life scenarios that you're going to encounter in work.
Students who go for job interviews stand out from the crowd because they've got these skills that they've already developed, and they're able to go into an interview. They can use examples of clients that they've interviewed, they can use examples of the skills that they've developed. That makes a big difference to the employers.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, croeso I Brifysgol De Cymru. Mae heddiw yn achlysur gwirioneddol arbennig wrth i ni ddathlu cyflawniadau ein myfyrwyr, a mae ei graddio yn nodi uchafbwynt blynyddoedd o ymroddiad, dyfalbarhad a gwaith caled. Mae hefyd yn foment falch i'w teuluoedd a'i ffrindiau. Gobeithiwn y cewch chi ddiwrnod hyfryd ac yn mwynhau'r seremoni. Graduates and guests, welcome to the University of South Wales. Today is a truly special occasion as we celebrate the achievements of our students, whose graduation marks the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance and hard work. It is also a proud moment for their families and friends. We hope that you have a wonderful day and enjoy the ceremony. Bydd y ceremony yn dechrau'n fuan, ond cyn i ni ddechrau, hoffwn rannu rhywfaint o wybodaeth bwysig am drefn y digwyddiad. Mae achlysur ffurfiol yw hwn, rydym hefyd yn gobeithio byddwch yn teimlo'n gyfforddus ac yn hamddenol. Gallaf weld bod gennym rai plant ifanc gyda ni heddiw. Os byddent yn cynhyrfu yn ystod y seremoni, byddem yn gofyn yn garedig i chi fynd â nhw allan mwyn peidio a tharfu ar eraill. Bydd ein stiwardiad yn hapus i'ch cyfeirio at ardal lle gallwch wylio'r seremoni trwy ffrwd byw gan sicrhau nad ydych yn colli unrhyw ran o'r seremoni. The ceremony will begin shortly, but before we start, I would like to share some important information about the proceedings. While this is a formal occasion, we also hope you will feel comfortable and relaxed. I can see that we have some young children with us today. If they become unsettled during the ceremony, we would kindly ask that you would take them outside so as not to disturb others. Our stewards will be happy to direct you to an area where you can watch the ceremony via live stream, ensuring that you don't miss any part of the ceremony. Nid ydym yn rhagweld unrhyw larymau tân nac argyfyngau heddiw. Fodd bynnag, rhag ofn y bydd angen i ni adael, gadewch yr auditorium trwy'r allanfeydd tân wedi ei marcio'n glir. Yn olaf, cais pwysig iawn. Gofynnwn yn garedig chi ddiffodd neu ddiffodd sain pob ffôn symudol trwy gydol y ceremony. We do not anticipate any fire alarms or emergencies today. However, in the event that we do need to evacuate, please leave the auditorium via the clearly marked fire exits. Finally, a very important request. We kindly ask that all mobile phones are switched off or set to silent for the duration of the ceremony. Bydd y ceremony yn para tua awr a hanner. The ceremony will last approximately an hour and a half. Ar ddechrau'r ceremony, bydd yr orymdaith yn dod i mewn i'r auditorium. Mae'r orymdaith hon yn cynnwys uwch swyddogion y brifysgol, arweinwyr y cyfedrannau a staff academaidd. Bydd y byrlysg yn ei dilyn ac yn olaf gan y ganghellor neu ei enwebau. At the start of the ceremony, the procession will enter the auditorium. This procession is composed of the university's senior officers, faculty leaders and academic staff. They will be followed by the mace and finally by the Chancellor or their nominee. Ganol ffordd trwy gyflwyno'r gwobrau i'n graddedigion, bydd egwyl gerddorol fer yn cael ei pherfformio gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. Gan fod y perfformiad hwn yn rhan annatod o'r seremoni, gyfynnwn yn garedig chi aros yn eich seddi tra bod y cerddorion yn perfformio. Midway through the presentation of awards to our graduates, there will be a short musical interlude performed by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. As this performance forms an integral part of the ceremony, we kindly ask that you remain seated while the musicians are performing. Ar ddiwedd y seremoni, bydd yr orymdaith yn gadael yr auditorium gan arwain yr graddedigion allan. Gyfynnwn yn garedig i chi aros yn eich sedd nes bod y graddedigion a'r orymdaith wedi gadael yr auditorium. Yna, byddwch yn gallu gadael trwy'r allanfa agosaf a chwrdd â'r graddedigion tu allan. At the end of the ceremony, the procession will exit the auditorium, leading the graduates out. We kindly ask that you remain seated until both the graduates and the procession have left the auditorium. You will then be able to leave via the nearest exit and meet up with the graduates outside. Mae'r llyfryn graddio ar gael ar ein gwefan ac mae'n cynnwys gwybodaeth gefndirol am y seremoni graddio a threfn y graddedigion heddiw. The graduation brochure is available on our website and includes background information on the graduation ceremonies and the running order for today's graduands. Yn olaf, Bydd y seremoni yn dechrau'n fuan. Un myfyrwyr, rydych chi wedi gweithio'n anhygoel o galed i gyrraedd y garreg filltir hon, ac mae heddiw yn ddathliad o'ch cyflawniad. Mwynhewch bob eiliad o'r seremoni a'r diwrnod sydd i ddod. Llongyfarchiadau i chi gyd. Finally, the ceremony will begin shortly. To our students, you have worked incredibly hard to reach this milestone, and today is a celebration of your achievement. Enjoy every moment of the ceremony and the day ahead. Congratulations to you all.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, os ydych yn medru, anewch chi sefyll ar gyfer y gyrymdaeth academaidd os gwelwch yn dda. Graduands and guests, please be upstanding for the academic procession if you're able to.
Prynawn da, croeso pawb. Good afternoon, welcome everybody. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I'd like to now invite our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Osama Khan, to speak to you. Please be seated.
Anrhythedys diprwy gangletchor, anwyl gafdelion, fonedigion a fonedigiesau, croes canesion I Prifysgol de Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our fabulous graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841. An institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r Prifysgol Abid Besnes wedi gweithio ac yn gweithio'n law yn llaw. It means the university and the business world have worked and are working hand in hand. And there isn't a better example of that other than this faculty, the students that we are graduating today. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals like yourself to reach the heights of your talent. And as I look to you all here today, looking fantastic in your gowns, and so happy to reach this point of celebration, I don't actually see a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reason for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from school or college. Others have already in work and wanting to upskill. And there are those of you who have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country, to make Wales your new country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. In fact, recently I spoke to one of our graduates who hasn't done 1 or 2 or 3, but 6 University of South Wales degrees. So just be careful, because it could be quite difficult to leave us once you have fallen in love with this university. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs to change. We need people like yourself, who can effect positive and real change. People who aren't satisfied with things as they stand. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate. Be inclusive and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduate, and I know this is asking a lot of you. That doesn't mean we are asking you to single-handedly change the world. In fact, no one single-handedly changed the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your company, your immediate team, your business that you own set up. Big changes usually happens when there are small little changes coming together, and each of you has the power to make that little change, which collectively change the world for better. We have a proverb in Welsh which derives from the legend of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. Now, I must say that I'm learning Welsh very new, so do excuse my pronunciation. It says, Avo ben bid bon, means whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. Keep that in your mind, because I see leaders today. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. And you will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled with each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and friendship that will last a lifetime. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we all belong. No matter how hard it gets, always do the right thing. Even if you find yourself the only person doing that right thing, do the right thing. I like to think that the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, and collaborative, that our intentions as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, the skills, and the resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, by the way, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break time to time. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career, and believe you me, if you persevere, things will get better. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. As you celebrate your graduation today, you do so as part of a faculty that has placed partnership, practice, and real-world impact at the heart of your learning. Across sport, psychology, policing, criminology, health and social care, education, chiropractic, and therapeutic studies, you have learned alongside schools, public services, NHS, police forces, and charities, industry partner and professional bodies. You have gained experience through placement, clinics, simulation spaces, community setting, and specialist facilities. As I said at the beginning, no better example of working really hand in hand with industry and profession. From partnership with organizations such as Welsh Rugby Union and the English Football League, to work with police forces across England and Wales, and clinical and community-facing activity here in South Wales, your time at USW has connected your studies to the needs of the people, the profession, and the communities. The impact of this faculty and our university demonstrates purpose and partnership in action. Today, you carry that impact forward with you. Your job for today is to feel proud of yourself, to look fabulous, and to take lots of photos, and maybe even shed a tear or two. You probably have noticed we booked good weather as well. And there is a lovely red dragon outside, so take as many pictures as you want and put it up on your Insta or TikTok, whatever you fancy. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind our graduates. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across that stage, they are in no doubt that you all feel immensely proud of their achievement today. And by the way, you can do that in any way you want. You can clap loudly, you can shout their name, you can whistle, or you can whoop, whatever is needed. And it's all legitimate. In fact, I would say it's actually necessary. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognize something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely on their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and the difficult days. And they may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day, graduates. It is a day for those who have traveled alongside you proudly, but most importantly, lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you reach this stage. Not just this stage, but the stage in your life as well. I also want to recognize the people of the University of South Wales, my lovely colleagues across the campus, who have supported your journey. Here on the stage and across the campuses, our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant, and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition with opportunity. And alongside them, our professional services colleagues across the campus, whose work is sometimes less visible, but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create the student experience that allows learning, belonging, and success to happen. To all of those colleagues and academic and professional services alike, thank you very much for me as your Vice-Chancellor, for the part you have played in helping our graduates reaching this proud moment. And these moments are really what matters most for us. Days like today makes it easier for us day to day to believe that you will achieve this milestone and you will do great things as our ambassadors. Now, graduates, I'm now going to ask you to do something special. Could you please stand up? Listen to me carefully. Please look around this room and show your appreciation for the families, friends, teachers, and professional services staff who helped you reach this day. But show that in a way that the world will know that you have appreciated them. Give them a huge round of applause. Thank you very much. Well done. Be seated. And so, in closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award and doff our Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word in the forefront of your mind. Pride. Pride with humility, but pride for sure. In Welsh, we call it balchdar. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are today, not who others want you to be. You will always be part of this wonderful University of South Wales family. We are and always will be very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hwsbys i aelodau Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol I cynhelu cynnigiad o Brifysgol de Cymru yn Ninas Nghasnewydd a 15 dydd o Fennaf 2026. Heddiw anrhydethion a ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy ei deluysrwydd a hymdrech ysgolheigiaid eu bwyd yn gymwys I gael y derbyn ar gyfer grafiau a cymysterau Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydethu a curiad, gadewch I reini sydd yn bresennol gydnabon y hymwiriad a dathlu a chwydant. Bysodon ni'n gobeithion yn disgwyliadau yn ganobeithion y bwyddant yn rhoi y talentau disg, gebon eu proffesiwn a cymunedau. Y deryn y bwyddant y cynffranu a phydoddol yn cymdeithiais gydag anrhydethiad aclod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of the Newport on the 15th day of July 2026. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualification of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their profession and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
This award is given posthumously. A posthumous award is a really special recognition of achievement, and it's a really special act of remembrance for family and friends. Today, the University of South Wales awards an honorary doctorate on someone who isn't here to receive it herself, and that's a really hard thing to do, but it is the right thing to do. It's the right thing to recognise a life's work and a life's love given in service to the University of South Wales and everyone that the university serves. In 1993, Paula Keyes joined our university. She joined us as an administrative assistant. Very quickly, people recognised her talent, her ability and her determination. And she progressed quickly through a series of roles at our institution. Most latterly, she became the Executive Director of Planning, Performance and Transformation at our institution. I don't think that job title really does her justice. She didn't just plan for the university's future, Paula built it. She tested it against evidence and she defended it fiercely against anything that would let our students have anything short of the best experience possible. This was never just a job for Paula. In fact, this university ran through Paula's family before it did her own career. Paula had an absolutely unshakable belief that our university should be open and welcoming to everybody, and that people who needed us most should be served and made welcome by us. Those of us who worked with her knew a really formidable mind. She was rigorous with her work. She had an almost unimaginable capacity for work, and she had a gift in turning that work into insights that then helped inform the decisions that we made that ultimately helped to transform lives of both our staff and our students. She led with great humanity. She helped the teams that she led become braver and better. She was always warm as well as being rigorous. And actually, she lightened the hardest of days with a wicked sense of humour. Paula was absolutely devoted to her family, to George and to Dolly. And that's where she really found joy. So it's for all of these reasons, for services to higher education, not just our own institution, for a body of work that shaped the University of South Wales into a sharper, fairer institution, and for a lived commitment to widening access for the people who need it most, our university confers the award of Honorary Doctorate on Paula Keyes. Now, if Paula was here, she would tell us not to fuss and just get on with our work. So we will get on with the important work that we do in her honour. But to her family and to those who worked with her and loved her dearly, in some part, this award belongs to you as well as Paula. Can I ask those who are able now to stand, please? I'm now going to invite Anna, Paula's sister, to receive the award. Thank you.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded. I'll just wait for them to come. Okay. The Doctor of Philosophy, Harriet Calsey, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Alcohol-Related Brain Damage, a Delphi Consensus Study and the Development of Pre-Testing of a Novel Screening Tool. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Gareth Roderick Davis, Professor Bev John and Dr. Richard May, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Paris Goodyear Brown, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Challenging a One-Size-Fits-All Approach to Treating Child Trauma through the development and dissemination of trauma play, an integrative play therapy model for traumatised children and their caregivers. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Deborah Lancastle, Dr. Alexis Jones, and me, Dr. Gina Dolan, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Sophie Ann Scory, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Coulphobia, an investigation of the prevalence, origins and psychological basis of the fear of clowns. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Phil Tyson, Dr. Shaquila Davis and Dr. William Greville, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Doctor of Psychology in Counselling Psychology, Linda Collette Camilleri, in recognition of a programme of work entitled I Had to Hold It All Together, Miscarriage, Masculinity and Men's Unmet Needs, a reflexive thematic exploration. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Deborah Lancastle and Dr. Naomi Wheeler, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Saz Guscott, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Psychobiotics, Exploring an Adjunct Intervention for Mental Health. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Phil Tyson and Dr. Annie Bayer, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Ty Kian Brady Hale, in recognition of a programme of work entitled You Can't Save Everybody, an interpretive phenomenological analysis exploring UK practitioner psychologist trainees, experiences and perceptions of working with patients' suicidality. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Stuart Todd and Professor Awaya Saltus, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Leah Jamieson, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Therapists Work with Survivors of Sexual Abuse, an exploration using traumagenic framework. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Michelle Culwick and Dr. Rachel Davis, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Ria Powell, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Becoming a Psychologist, a qualitative study of working class trainees negotiating class, gender and professional identity in counselling psychology. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Awaya Saltus and Dr. Helen Jones, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Great to see so many of our doctorates graduating today. Okay. The Master of Arts in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Taya Gallagly. Shannon Wall. Ellie Worsnip. The Master of Arts in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Autism, Alicia Jones. The Master of Arts in Working for Children and Young People, Youth Work, Initial Qualifying, Ashley Cavill. Erin Callon Herriot. Natasha Graves. Ungok Trung Han Luong. Amy Stewart Torrey. Dean Wood. The Master of Science in Clinical Psychology, Alice Sotero. The Master of Science in Play Therapy, Sarah Abutaya. Thomas Berry. Emma Carter. Danielle Corbin. Diana Jane Denman. Nia Dunstan Davis. Amy Gutteridge. Eleanor Keane. Beth Lecluse. Sharon Murdoch. Emily Phillips. Lauren Poulter. The Master of Science in Psychology, Sia Abraham. The Postgraduate Diploma in Integrative Counselling and Psychotherapy, Sarah Martin. Lindsay Thomas. The Postgraduate Diploma in Special Educational Needs and Additional Learning Needs, Abby Williams. The Postgraduate Diploma in Working for Children and Young People, Youth Work, Initial Qualifying, Jennifer Cooper. The Postgraduate Certificate in Education in Primary Initial Teacher Education with Qualifying Teacher, Lucy Aldred. The Postgraduate Certificate in Teaching in Higher Education, Nicholas Andrews. Christian Boyle. Joseph Griffiths. Baglo yn cyfelddiau gyda status athro cwmysedig mewn addysg gwychynol I athrawon. Chloe Payne. The Bachelor of Arts in Counselling and Therapeutic Practice, Elizabeth Baines. Jack Paul Bateman. Lily Chilcott. Georgina May Evergreen. Michael Frost. Chloe Giles. Shannon Giles. V. Hancock. Mateusz Hankowski. Amira Islam. Natalie Lukakova. Cheryl Martin. Kamitha Vinavi Pandagoda Lianaje. The Bachelor of Arts in Creative and Therapeutic Arts, Kathy Delaney. Dina Hurst. Georgina Kathleen Grace Pender. Ashley Pollard Delaney. Neve Quinn. Hope Shakespeare. Kerry St. John. Rebecca Logan White. I'm loving the creative mortarboards from our creative class. Okay. The Bachelor of Arts in Early Years Education, Ali Ahmed. Abdi Rahman Dula. Ashlyn Walters. Leona Amanda McNeil. Kale Weaver. Jessie Wixie. The Bachelor of Arts in Early Years Education and Practice with practitioner status, Sari Bogdanovos. Abby Gadsby. Eleanor Catherine Hudd. Laurie Ann Mary Hurley. Holly Amber King. Stanimira Mihalkova. Lucy Palmer. Bailey Ridge. Courtney Sullivan. Erin Justine Thomas. Jessica Louise Townsend. The Bachelor of Arts in Education, Caris Canning. Emily Castle. Daniel Hughes. Joseph MacDonald. Rebecca Mason. Lani Marie Perrott. Caris Rees. Bethan Sims. Sophie White. The Bachelor of Arts in Education, Learning and Develop, Coleg y Comaeth Ystrad Mynach. Laura Jane Bowden. Kieran James Davis. Casey May Harris. The Bachelor of Arts in Working with Children and Families, Jessie Adam. Nikisha Andreasen. Ellie Mae Brown. Violetta Butler. Elise Davis. Sarah Higgins. Georgiana Matai Sanica. Zoe Moore. Freya Lily Colling. Lois Owens. Isabel Rees. Katie White. The Bachelor of Arts with Qualified Teacher Status in Primary Initial Teacher Education, Salma Abdurazak. Salma Adan. Summer Baker. Sarah Begum. Keely Bennett. Kira Blaken. Rhiannon Bergen Malin. Kirsty Jane Burridge. Corey Chapman. Philippa Gibbons. Stephen Govia. Rianne Huntley. Hafsa Omar Ibrahim. Kathleen Jones. Erin Jones. Sydney Jones. Michael Jordan. Rebecca Keane. Keris Lee. Bridie Lewis. Annabelle Claire McAllister. Rima Mia. Tolani Oleatan Ondunsi. Lydia O'Rourke. Daniela Palmer. Ella Perry. Caitlin Powell. Courtney Powell. Edward Pritchard. Theon Louise Reed. Leona Rice. Caitlin Rose. Georgia Sims. Courtney Smith. Keris Studd. Sauda Tarafta. Abby Thickett. Imogen Thomas. Katie Terris. Brooke Walters. Erin Walters. Lucy Walters. Ashlyn Wistance. You can have a slight pause from clapping, that's a big course. Okay. The Bachelor of Science in Childhood Development, Rhiannon Bull. Hannah Cake. Emma Jane Davis. Chantel Page Griffiths. Katie Lowe. Ellie Phillips. JC Reese. Emily Jane Walters. Katie Wells. Amy Williams.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We'll now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. While our performers take a brief moment to set up, please enjoy this short film celebrating the university's impact over the past year.
The Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Kira Andrioli. Sophie Blake. Charlie Burton Williams. Casey Nadine Caswell. Laurie Cook. Holly Corbett. Kirsty Davis. Emily Denning Harris. Connor Dowling. Lucy Edwards. Mihai Ene. Layla Farah. Eleanor Gould. Samantha Holland. Jake Samuel Honoraman Sadwell. Hadika Hussain. Logan Jones. Sevel Karaman. Jude Mohammed Abdel Karim Kamis. Sorry. Cerys Lewis. Megan Lewis. Sophie Charlotte Lewis. Rebecca Little. Sarah Morgan. Courtney Nutt. Emma Orphan Lloyd. Elise Phillip. Oh. Kate Pittard. Thomas Rees. Christian John Rich. William Shan. Megan Sims. Emma Smith. Naomi Taylor. Alicia Tippett. Anna Marie Bakaloglu. Pravani Sharangi Shashikala Wagalajme. Charlotte Warren. Hannah Williams. Tolupe Williams. Ayomije Adejoke. Nia Youngs. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Counselling, Stacey Absalom. Saliha Ali. William Anderson. Igor Bartchak. Anwen Braden. James Connolly. Olivia Davis. Naimu Fodil. Caitlin James. Emma Jane James. Amy Jones. Margaret Manuel. Caris Morgan. Jenna O'Sullivan. Cerys Paul. Kelly Louise Price. Molly Jane Price. Taylor Robbins. Kiara Salunga. Anna Maria Stavropoulou. Linumi Minsadi Weresiji Gundurana. Freya Williams. Megan Olivia Williams Davis. Abigail Wood. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Criminology and Criminal Justice. Caris Baker. Antoinette Cheriton. Paulina Shruska. Ava Corten. Amy Crook. Claire Dainton. Julianne Davis. Sylvia N. Manzi. Alicia Hall Dorse. Logan Hammond. Kirsty Holpin. Brogan Elise Hopkins. Nikita Louise Jones. Abdullah Mathana. Holly Phillips. Catriona Thompson. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Developmental Disorders. Chloe Brunnock. Isabel Cole. Courtney Cooksey. Carol Copley. Stephanie Donovan. Tegan Kinsey. Yara White. Verity Wynn. Grace Yateley. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Education, Learning and Develop. Coleg y Cymoedd Ystrad Tia N. Callahan. Kelly Elise Davis. Jessica Louise King. Lauren Jade Roberts. Keris Megan Scudamore. Charlotte Louise Smeal. The Foundation Degree in Science in Psychology, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry. Heidi Holt. The Foundation Degree in Science in Psychology, Merthyr Tydfil College, Sophie Chamberlain. Carrie-Anne Driscoll. Katie Jones. Lucy Jones. Caitlin Payne. Kia Selway. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry. Layla May Hamonda. Sophia Nardone. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff. Fiona Beltaghi. Jessica John. Ewan Jones. Nergis Ulugtekin. Gatlin Walker. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg Gwent, Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone. Dina Baskerville. Brogan Griffiths. Jacob Sutton. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Nantgarw. Alice Victoria Jane Cadenhead. Sean Rees Evans. Lucy Sian Haddock. Callan Matthews. Caitlin Anya Thomas. Amy Jade Williams. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Dorset Police. Matthew Brewer. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Merthyr Tydfil College, Jack Cox. Bethany Irvine. Jessica June Donna Elaine James. Jessica Lee Reynolds. Bryony Stanfield. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Barry, Fabio Cavara-Wayman. Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Mike Arnott. Elise Bishop. James Dabbs. Stephen French. Matthew Morgan. Gareth Powell. Rajit Singh. Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg Gwent, Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone, Angelina Barnett. Kirsten Ball. Laura Davis. Lisa Evans. Hayley Fry. Cassie Maggs. Hannah Mellish. Sarah Jane Pierce. Lauren Porter. Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Coleg y Cymoedd Nant Garw, James William Benjamin. Katie Leanne Griffiths. Joanna Louise Selman. Hannah Mavis Elizabeth Williams. The Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Gower College, Swansea, Amanda Fencott. Amanda Jane Francis. Professional Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Merthyr Tydfil College, Karen Bonvan-Siepen. Emily Carter. Nicola Jones. Thomas Powell. Bethan Veal. The Diploma of Higher Education in Psychology with Counselling, Karima Omar. The Doctor of Philosophy, Emma Reardon, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Becoming We, Pathways to Sharing Ways of Being in the World to Support an Understanding of Autism. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Carmel Conn and Dr. Beth Pickard, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Science in Clinical Psychology, Ifeoma Sandra Anioweke. The Master of Science in Psychology, Razi Or Rayman. The Postgraduate Diploma in Integrative Counselling and Psychotherapy, Katerina Scalesia. The Professional Graduate Certificate in Education in Post-Compulsory Education and Training, Merthyr Tydfil College, Gareth Powell. Vice-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education.
Thank you, colleagues, and thank you, Louise, for the words about Paula. She will definitely be missed. Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Llongfachadau'r da iawn. Congratulations and well done. This is my favourite bit of the work that I do with the university, is attending the graduation ceremonies. This is the 8th one this week, and so far it's my favourite, so well done. And let's be honest, there'll be nobody at the next one because the football's on. And I got to meet Michael Jordan. I mean, what's not to like? Graduation is more than a formal academic ceremony, though. It's a celebration of perseverance, growth, and a promise of what comes next for you all. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of you, our graduates, but it's also a moment of immense pride for us who are here with you. I know that the Vice-Chancellor has already asked you to thank them, but I'm going to, you can never thank people too often, so I'm going to ask you to do it again. So to the people behind you, your parents, partners, families, and friends, this is their day too. They've offered encouragement, reassurance, and unwavering support. So let's give them a round of applause. Everyone on this stage also shares in that pride. For us, this is the high point, as I said, of the university year, when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience, and hard work. So I'd like to pay my own tribute to the thousands of staff members at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, support, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged you. And their commitment to your success is at the heart of everything we do. So let's take a moment to thank them. But today is really about you, our new graduates. You have achieved something extraordinary. You not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, to challenge assumptions, engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. And these are timeless skills, not just for whatever you may do next, but essential in every walk of life. We're proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers, but more than that, we're proud of the way in which it transforms lives, that it's transformed yours, and it will transform the communities you go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful and engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. You are now our alumni and ambassadors for this university and for the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you have inspired us. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Those who can, would you please stand for the national anthem?
Blue light event is a simulation that happens in year 3. We declare a major incident and the students then have to make decisions, planning, and really puts into place the leadership skills that they've built upon over the last 3 years.
Kind of nervous, but also confident in my own ability to do well.
Really apprehensive actually, now I'm here. Don't really know what to expect. I know I'm put into the ED role as a nurse, so not too sure what patients I'm having coming through, but it's going to be a good day and I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot from it.
Being positioned in ITU, we haven't been given much information about it as of yet. I expect it's going to be quite intense.
So I'll be on call, so that means anything that kind of goes wrong around like a simulation, I'll be called to that and have to deal with whatever we're presented with.
The purpose of the event is to give them a positive end experience. This is the last time they're going to be in our simulation suite here at University of South Wales, and it gives them an opportunity to put into place everything they've learned over the last 3 years, consolidate all that learning, gives them an opportunity to look after the patients in a safe way.
We had to facilitate a patient who was unconscious. We had to decide what was wrong with him and give him the correct treatment. I was anaesthetics. I had to facilitate the airway, which is quite stressful. When I am qualified and go into practice, it's kind of like a bit of a taste of what it'll be actually like.
We've been looking after a patient who's come in with pneumonia. It's putting what you've learned over the last 3 years into practice. It gives you a feel of what's to come in the real world.
It was very pressured. It was quite realistic actually. I think it's a very pressured environment. It really puts it into perspective as to what our role is going to be.
The Cypher Room is a totally new learning and teaching environment to the University of South Wales. It's been designed for our students to work through complex simulation-based challenges that replicate some of the real-world issues that our students would have to face when they go into profession.
We've been using the new interactive crime tables in USW, and we've been running the case alongside our lecturers who've been feeding us information bit by bit, but we use investigation skills to figure out what's happened. It's really interesting. It's something that we've never used before, especially like working alongside my friends around a big table in a big group. It's a good laugh.
It's just been very exciting. It's something new, and for someone who uses practical learning better than theory, it's been much better. Everyone's got to cooperate. There's a 100-point touch system, so you don't have to rely on one person to be touching everything. You can all work together. We've had witness statements, we've had ambulance logs, CCTV from a crime scene.
This space here is the first of its kind in Wales, and in fact in the UK. There are huge benefits for our students. It allows them to be immersed in an investigation. Just an absolutely incredible addition to the simulation and immersive capabilities of the University of South Wales.